So what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Fackerton YouTube channel. So today what I have is a 2007 Dodge Charger. My brother picked it up for the pretty decent price the other day, and as you can see, we've already done quite a bit of work to it. We're getting it ready for a new motor, because the one that is in it, or was in it, is locked up. So, you know, he dropped it out. We got all this done already. I know I'm kind of starting the video off a little crazy by having so much done already, but we just got right to work as soon as we got it in.
We got pictures along the way, but we just didn't get any video until this point. But yeah, it's a 2.7 liter, it's C stuff, so we just dropped the K member. Pretty simple. Trans mounts. You got 4 bolts on the K member itself, AC lines, power steering line, starter wire, and then just 3 bolts to the top of the strut. Yep, she's out. Now we gotta find another one, or see if I can rebuild this one. Maybe spun a bearing, might be able to fix it, but we'll see. Important not to cut anything. Take your time. Make sure everything's unhooked and disconnected the way it's supposed to be.
I'll go ahead and show you guys a nice little look at the inside here.
It's a 07 Dodge Charger.
It was really dirty in here, and I still have a lot of work to do yet, but I can't really do anything right now because it's dark in here. So, but this is what we have. It's our first car. We're pretty proud of it. It's not bad. But yeah, it needs cleaned. You guys are so lucky there's not smell-o-vision, because it really stinks in there. We don't know what's going on. And then as far as the trunk, we have to get a new piece to put in here because obviously this one's missing. And yeah, it needs clean too. And then what else? The carpet that was in the trunk, I tried to steam clean it, and it came out pretty good. It's better than what it was, but it's got a lot of work to go. But this is the new car for the channel right here. This is what we're going to be getting into. So different content's going to be coming out, a lot different than, you know, what I was doing before. The TIG one isn't completely out of the picture. I still have some stuff that's coming for that, but with the way shipping is right now, you know, it's just hard to get parts in. So as soon as I get an update on that, you guys will get one. But for now, we're gonna start sanding the car, because as you see, it's got a lot of scratches on it. And
at some point, somebody came in and laid down the black over the top of the red. They didn't do a great job of it, so there's a lot of problems with like the finish of the paint. It's not so much it needs a lot of body work, it's a lot of doctoring in the paint itself.
And then we noticed on top of the hood, I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys, but on top of here, it's split right there. I hope you can see that. So we're gonna get a new hood. We're gonna have to get some new parts for it. We're gonna need a new front bumper, which I'll show you guys over here, and we're gonna need a new back bumper right here, because this one's it's cracked. And we probably could repair it, but we're just gonna go with the new one. We're gonna go with probably an RT style.
Yeah.
And
so
then there's
this grill is cracked here. You might be able to see on the camera, we actually have a big crack in the bumper right there. It's separated down here at the bottom as well, underneath the fog light, and then we also have a spot where it's broken over here, right there by the fender.
Well, we're going to try and use what we can from that bumper, such as fog lights. We might be able to save those. The headlights, we're going to need to maybe get some new ones, because these are really hazy, as you can see. So I'm going to try and fix them, clean them up, which usually they turn out pretty good, and then we'll go from there. We already tested out the lights and everything, and they work. So we have the battery over here on the charger, and it's now done. So that's one less thing we'll have to worry about with this.
So it's a little rough, but it's got potential. Like I said, it's an 07, 170,000 miles. From what I can tell, it's taken care of in its past life. And then somebody got it and just let it go downhill quick. Probably didn't keep up on the oil changes, speed on it. They put wheels and tires on it that are very fresh, a new battery that's very fresh. So I'm assuming that ownership changed just before it blew up. That would be my best guess, but she's got potential. She's got decent options. It's got power seats. It is cloth seats, but it's got power seats, power locks, power windows, all of that stuff works. So it's not a bad start, but she needs some love.
And as the update for the garage, we found that we need a 320 panel put in.
Yeah, we had there was an error, we'll say, with the electric company that came out and installed everything. So hopefully they get that fixed, but we're still waiting for the horn on that one.
Which is why we picked up the car, because we wanted to be doing something in order to be productive. So
yeah,
this is what we're doing.
Stop and wait on the garage.
But you guys will see this car, you know, getting redone on YouTube. We're gonna get some new parts for it. Like we said, we're probably gonna do a new paint job on it. So, but this is where I'm at. Hope you guys enjoyed the video so far, and we'll have a little bit more here in a bit. Well, we have been busy, as you can see. So we got quite a bit of the car sanded, and while we were on the quarter panel here, we found that there's a lot of high and low spots. And if you can see it right here, there's cracking within the Bondo. So it wasn't applied right. And then there's some spidering in here. So we're going to have to knock this down. We got to get 80 grit sandpaper tomorrow. But yeah.
We did get the trunk latch straightened back out and welded back in. I do have some final touches, a little bit of tweaking to do on that, but it's just about ready. And as you can see now, trunk actually shuts how it's supposed to. The gap will have to fix once it's leveled out. It's not sitting completely level on the quick jacks right now. That's the only reason why the gaps are different on each side, but that'll get us close enough, and it's got some adjustment in there.
And as you can see, he's got the motor out, and he went ahead and unhooked the transmission as well.
I can't get the torque converter off. I can't get the bolts over to the window because the motor's seized up, so we'll just have to pull another one. But transmission's under the car.
Got that all right over in there. Got the whole front end steering right there. So, and then we'll probably have to get another, what do you call it, valve cover. We'll have to get that. But for now, we're making progress, guys. We are really making progress. We got this side sanded last night. And it looks a lot better than the passenger side, I will say that. He started taking out the mirrors. So we got to do door handles yet, door jambs. We got quite a bit of stuff that we need to do. But that's where we are for now. And as soon as we get a little bit more done, I'll give you guys another update. And I would be filming a lot more of this, but as you can see, we don't have a whole lot of lighting in here. So the film would be kind of dark, which is why I'm just doing updates for right now. But once we get more lighting, I'll do a lot more live shots. And once we have